We just finished another epoxy injection and carbon fiber strap job here in Boulder, Colorado. So we installed injection ports along with epoxy paste and bonding adhesive. And then we injected liquid epoxy resin into all of the ports to fill the cracks with epoxy. And then to reinforce the wall, we installed carbon fiber straps. This carbon fiber strap installation will ensure the wall can't shift, bow, lean, or crack again. So it reinforces the wall real well. And it's a much better, much less expensive, cost-effective method versus using, say, steel post or wall anchors or even other methods like angle iron, they'll say install sometimes. So all you need is carbon fiber straps installed along your wall, and this will ensure your basement wall or even any foundation wall, even cross space foundation walls, won't move again when you have these carbon fiber straps installed. So anyway, if you want a free estimate, give us a call or a text now, 720-503-0879. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.